Good day, sir. This is my explanation about tide table publication. Tide tables are generally published annually by various organizations, including NOAA in the USA and the Admiralty in the UK, and are available in both paper and digital format. Tide tables helps to predict the height of the tide. They provide tide height, timing, and tidal stream information for over 500 standard ports and 5,700 secondary ports. A tide table is an assortment of data compiled about the tide levels at different times, which would enable the captain of the vessel to adjust the docking time of the ship or the boat accordingly. Tide tables provide predicted times and heights of the high and low waters associated with the vertical movement of the tide. Thank you, sir. That's all for today's video, sir.